Welcome to Bike Shift, a channel dedicated to bringing you the most detailed and exciting updates from the world of two-wheelers. In today's video, we explore the brand new 2026 Suzuki Access 125, a scooter that continues its legacy of reliability, performance, and comfort while receiving major upgrades for the future. The 2026 Suzuki Access 125 comes with a refined and modern design that enhances its premium appeal. The front fascia now features a sharper headlamp design with improved LED illumination for better night visibility. Its body panels have been redesigned with more flowing lines, giving the scooter a smooth and stylish urban look. Suzuki has introduced new dual-tone color options, chrome-finished accents, and a more polished overall finish to make the Access 125 stand out on the road. The 2026 model continues with the trusted 125 cubic centimeters engine but now features updated technology for smoother power delivery and enhanced fuel efficiency. Suzuki Eco Performance Plus optimizes engine response, ensuring quicker acceleration while keeping the ride quiet and vibration-free. Whether used for city traffic or longer daily commutes, the scooter promises a refined and comfortable riding experience. The improved CVT setup also provides better pickup and consistent performance across different speeds. Suzuki has packed the 2026 Access 125 with several modern features. The fully digital instrument cluster now supports smartphone connectivity, showing call alerts, navigation assistance, battery status, and ride statistics. The scooter also includes a USB charging port, side stand engine cutoff, and an LED tail lamp for greater visibility. Additionally, the new smart key system adds convenience with features like remote ignition, keyless entry, and a built-in anti-theft alarm. Comfort has always been a highlight of the Access 125, and the 2026 version takes it even further. The seat cushioning has been upgraded with softer padding for long commutes. The telescopic front suspension and rear monoshock offer excellent absorption even on rough roads. Suzuki has also increased underseat storage space, making it easier to carry daily essentials, helmets, or shopping bags. The wide floorboard and ergonomic seating position ensure a relaxed riding posture. The scooter offers a combined braking system with optional disc brakes at the front, providing confident stopping power. Safety features like side stand cutoff, engine immobilizer, and parking brake lock add more control for the rider. With the updated engine settings, the 2026 Access 125 is expected to deliver impressive mileage, making it one of the most fuel-efficient scooters in its category, perfect for budget-friendly daily commuting. The 2026 Suzuki Access 125 positions itself as a practical yet premium scooter. With new features, improved design, and better technology, it continues to be a strong contender in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Suzuki aims to keep its reputation intact by offering a scooter that balances mileage, comfort, and modern style. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed scooter for everyday use, the 2026 Access 125 is definitely worth considering.